In this video, I will be showing you how to train ChatGPT to write professional, high-quality how-to guides for any audience. Let's get started. I begin by establishing a clear persona for the AI. I'm opening my notes and pasting in a detailed prompt that defines me as an online educator named Josh. I am specifying that my readers are busy professionals who need clear, step-by-step instructions rather than vague theory. ChatGPT acknowledges this role and even provides a solid structure it will follow for all future guides, including sections for practical tips and clear conclusions. Now, let's see it in action. I'll prompt it to write a complete guide on how to create a LinkedIn profile that attracts clients. It generates a comprehensive list of steps, but I want to dive much deeper into the most important sections. I'll ask it to expand specifically on the LinkedIn banner and the experience section. Notice how it provides weak versus strong examples. This makes the instructions much more practical and easy for a reader to implement immediately. Next, let's try a more technical topic. I'm asking for a guide on running a first successful webinar. It covers everything from picking a platform to setting up a registration page and even how to handle the follow-up. Now, let's look at a lifestyle guide for a different audience. I'm prompting it for a guide on saving money on a tight budget. It strikes the perfect empathetic tone while offering realistic, actionable tips like the one category at a time method and the 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. To maximize this content, I ask ChatGPT to take the webinar guide and repurpose it. I paste a prompt requesting a condensed version for social media, a 5-step email nurture sequence, and a script for a YouTube tutorial. The AI effortlessly switches formats while keeping the core message consistent. One more, I'll ask it to take that original LinkedIn guide and turn it into a 10-slide carousel for social media, a 5-day email nurture sequence, and even a YouTube script intro. This allows me to distribute my core message across multiple platforms in just a few seconds. Finally, I want a system I can reuse. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a universal, fill-in-the-blank framework for any how-to guide I might write in the future. It provides a perfect template for the introduction, the individual step structure, and the final call to action. It even gives me a completed example on weekly planning to show just how easy the template is to fill out. With this system, I can now produce a professional, highly polished guide on any topic in less than 10 minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.